Hello and welcome to Solo Rider. So I just stopped to record a video about the sound of the motorbike with the full RPM. The previous video was only about the 5000 RPM because the motorbike was new and I didn't want to go very high on the RPM. But now, after more than 4000 kilometers, I used to go a little bit high on the RPM, and because a lot of people asked me to make a video about this sound, I made this video, and I will also make another video for my review about the Aprilia RS125 2021, the E5. So wait for this video and let's go for the sound of the motorbike with full RPM.